everyone, so today I have got a Lookfantastic beauty box to unbox for you. This is April's box. If you don't know what the Lookfantastic beauty box is, it is a monthly subscription box. It costs between £13 and £15 depending on what subscription plan you get. You can either get a year, 6 month, 3 month, or monthly. If it's monthly, it's more expensive. The longer you have a subscription, it's cheaper, but you actually can pay the subscription monthly. So you can get a year and just pay it monthly. So if you know you want a year, but you are in that payment plan for a year, like subscription for a year. I do have a coupon code for Lookfantastic. I'll put that on the screen. It will give you a discount off this box, and it will give you a discount on probably like 80% of the items on the Lookfantastic website. So it's always definitely worth putting it in the checkout. Give yourself a discount, but that is an affiliate code. So if you use that, thank you so much because you're helping out my channel. But anyways, let's get into what I got for my £13 a month. I do pay for this box myself. So the first thing we've got is something from Spectrum. I haven't had a new Spectrum brush in ages. I absolutely love Spectrum brushes. Like 80% of my brushes are Spectrum. Well, maybe 70, then 30 Real Techniques. They're like my two brands. So this is a AO5 brush, and it's like a blusher style brush. And I probably own this brush already, but I do love Spectrum brushes, and it's like their core collection. So I'm not going to complain about that, because I really like it. And something I absolutely love, so I'm so happy to have actually, is the Loccitane hand cream. This is the dry skin hand cream, the 30ml, and I think this is the unscented one. I love this stuff. I'm so glad to have it. Definitely don't think it's like the right time of year for this. It's like false tanning season and things like that, but you know what? I need this in my life, and I'm definitely happy to have it in my life. So yeah, I love that product, and that's like £13 or something on its own, that. And then another Loccitane product. So we got two. We got the Almond shower oil. I often give this to my mum because she loves this stuff. Yeah, so I'll probably put that away as a stocking filler or something like that. And this is a 35ml, but this is like their famous shower gel. Everyone loves this stuff, so yeah. Then we've got a little Alien perfume sample. This is a 1.2ml. Is this the new one? It's the Alien Extra Intense version. Yeah, little sample. I love perfume, so I'm not going to complain about that. Then we've got the ISO Clean Professional Brush Cleaner. This really does work. I actually already own this. I really like it. I will probably give this to my niece if she needs any more, but this definitely does work, and my niece loves this too. So very happy with that. Then we've got something from New. This is a Density Building Scalp Serum. Apply to the scalp, just gently massage to help stimulate circulation. So I'm assuming it's to make your hair feel thicker. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I've heard of it. It's only a little dinky size, maybe 15ml or something like that. I can't really see the size. Yeah, and then last but not least is something from Peter Thomas Roth. It is the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Mask Hydrating Gel. 20% hyaluronic acid complex strengthens skin's penitent, helps to provide up to 72 hours of hydration. This is just a little 14ml size. I love Peter Thomas Roth. So that is everything we got in the Lookfantastic beauty box. So we got two Loccitane products. Not going to complain about that. I'll run through everything again. So the two Loccitane products, can't complain about that. Lovely little like 5-star product. A little perfume sample, so I'm assuming that's like a little freebie. A Spectrum brush. I feel like because we got a brush, we should have got like a blusher or a highlighter or something to go with the brush. Just my personal opinion. But I suppose we did get a brush cleaner, and I don't think this is cheap either, the ISO Clean. Then we got the New Density Scalp Serum. Not so fussed about that. And then the Peter Thomas Roth product. I do love these products, so yeah. Overall, I'm quite happy with all the items, but it's just not exciting for me. Actually, the Loccitane items are quite exciting, actually. Yeah, I've used them, so I know what they're like. They're not like new out products, do you know what I mean? I feel like that's where what they're missing, like some new out products, new brands. I feel like we get a lot of the same brands. Loccitane's kind of a new brand for them, I feel like. But yeah, that's my kind of 2 pence on it. A good box, definitely worth it. You're getting your value there, 100% getting your value there. But it's not like exciting. But is that because I'm just overwhelmed with beauty products in general as a person? I don't know. But yeah, that is my Lookfantastic beauty box. Let me know what you think of this month's box, and are you subscribing, are you resubscribing, are you cancelling? Just comment down below, let me know what's happening. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like these type of videos, I would love to if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.